Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to create a Google account. So let's start. First, open the Google app. Now tap on your profile picture on top right corner and tap on Add another account. Now to create a new account, tap Create Account. You can create an account to manage your business or for yourself. I'll tap on For myself. Now enter your first name and your last name. Insert your birthday and your gender and tap Next. Now enter a username you like. Now enter a password. And your account is almost ready. Now tap Next. Now scroll down and tap on I agree. And it takes a few moments. And your account is created. Now refresh the page and tap on your profile picture on top right corner again. And you'll see your new account here. And that's how you create a new Google account. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.